Hey, it's John with Whalen Speed, and we're introducing our new charge tube. We've been working on this machine for quite a few years now, and we've never really made charge tubes. Uh, I don't know why. I've known how I wanted to make this thing for a while. We just never really attacked it, but now we have. So beyond just the act of taking air from the intercooler to the throttle body, um, there's some design oddities with the factory tube, and basically every aftermarket tube does the same thing. So, you know, if someone's gonna buy something from us, I want it to be better than factory if we're gonna make it. So, we actually do not and don't plan to make the charge tube for a factory turbo from the turbo to the intercooler, because in dyno testing, the factory tube made the most power out of anybody's like silicone charge tube. And really, it comes down to like these subtle differences. You know, if you're looking at something like this, the air needs to almost make more than a 90-degree bend to make it into this little adapter where they house the boost sensor. You know, like there's a map sensor in this location. So when we designed it, the big issue really is the height of this. So we moved that all down and made this a much better sweep. So this is an aftermarket charge tube where it's got almost a worse angle than the factory one. So we 3D scanned it, modeled this whole thing in CAD. There's other subtle differences, but this is, you know, the size of the tube is a little bit different. It's more or less modeled after the 2020 RR up charge tube. Then we, you know, integrated the blow-off valve close to the throttle plate. We've had the best luck with this configuration. This all fits in a completely factory vehicle. We scanned my 21. There is a lot of stuff going on in this location, but we got it to fit just perfectly. So we delete, if you're going to buy this and install it, you remove this factory piece, install your boost sensor into our in-house machined billet chunk of metal there. Beautiful. Delete that, put this right on the throttle body, hook a vacuum line up, voila. So, you know, the charge tube is actually installed on this car. These first versions have a single logo in that location. I think we're gonna add some more logos to the next one. But yeah, super clean install. So we're making this rear charge tube, the front, like the hot side charge tube, we don't plan to make for a factory turbo. We are making them for our larger turbos. But yeah, these are now on the website. They're going to be on sale for Black Friday. After that, the price is going to go up a little bit, but you should definitely check them out. I really like the design of it, and it was something that we've been wanting to do for a long time.